I got it.
You got it?
Thanks for the bet. I made that. KENDAs do a pretty good job of taking air pressure. They're rated for 65 max PSI, so we were running them, I think at like, I was running them at like 45 on the road. The other guys were running like, I think 35 to 37. So we'll bump down, just it's like 25.
You on for 4 low?
Yeah.
Did you lock in?
I didn't lock in. Did you lock in?
Yeah, dude.
We didn't do the video take of locking in.
Later.
Beat Luke up the hill. Well, it gets worse the more I slide off. The worse.
I mean, we can just hook it right here and just try and go forward.
Now pull that all in and let's put tension on it and ruin my high temp. Tyler, the problem is I can't start it. There's too much tension on the motor to start the engine, and if I start it, I can't get it in gear.
Why can't I just winch you?
Yeah, let's try that.
I was gonna shift back to 2-wheel drive. We're going to get some food and check on Liv and Owen. I think so.
You guys done inspecting?
Diagnosis.
What is this?
The old girl needs work.
Don't we all?
It's true.
What's the problem?
Hard telling. There's too many of them. Would you like me to make a list of the things that aren't broken first?
Is that easier?
Same issues, man. The clutch is totally jacked. I think I have a broken transmission mount or motor mounts or both. So that's causing like the drivetrain to kind of preload and unload, which I think is helping to cause axle wrap issues. It's fine. Just gotta decide if I want to try to nationals. Yeah.
Load it up.
Basically.
Hot beef with Swiss. It's good, man. You should get one.
You took a shower
How is it, Jake?
Pretty tasty. Pretty tasty.
Pups are juicy. Cheese on us. No, we gotta do it.
I could just buy like a little hydraulic ram jack too.
Where's your welder at? You have a welder on.
Hey man, we're here at Badlands Off-Road Park in Attica, Indiana. Super cool, amazing that places like this exist in the Midwest. If you look around, it's like we're in the great sand dunes of the vast deserts of the Middle East.
I think I'm gonna hit end. I think the short wheelbase is better in this.
Oh yeah, Ben, just bounce on the back corner.
Yeah, no, seriously, I think we can bounce him out. Let's get some weight on it. Let's do it. We got this.
Trust me, we ain't been drinking. It's fine. It's good.
Okay, well, don't do that.
Trying to fly it through the tent, ended up just doing a handheld.
I don't. I need allergy drugs.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or something stronger.
Handles can salvage it and just maybe like what? Yeah, I don't know. You can. It might be. Yeah. Nice. Gotta take this big old nasty chip out of here. But I got it for $5.
So I think I have like a broken motor mount or transmission mount. So I put a ratchet strap around my transmission and cross member to hold that down. And I don't know if it's gonna work. Some of the point for us is like exploring cool places to go in the Midwest. Cause like all the out west, like Utah, Arizona, California, Nevada, that gets all like the glory, you know, in the traveling world and overlanding world. So just exploring the Midwest and finding little gems like this is really fun.
I think that's the biggest appeal. Just driving them, beating on them, and getting them back home one way or another.
Getting Luke to get stuck in the bowl, that was amazing. Hilarious. Get stuck! Get stuck! That's what we told him. That's what we told him.
This is what's so cool. If you look around the campground here, there's like a ton of vehicles on trailers, you know? Yeah. But we drove here. Test it out, Tyler.
He's getting wet.
There wasn't a chance that it was just gonna like get water in the engine or anything, right?
There's always a chance.
Original carbureted junk. Points distributors. Just keeping it old school, which is kind of neat, I think. Testament to the toughness of these old rigs and to the ingenuity and capability of our team, you know, to keep these things working. So, off to the Nats next, man, the Nationals.
or you guys might just stay here.
Yeah, it's tempting.